Hello everyone and welcome to today's session. Today I want you to try standing meditation. So this is a new technique and we're going to try it together. So think of what our bodies are used to do when we are simply standing. We are usually standing in line or looking at something or having a conversation. But we very rarely stand and do nothing. So today I want you to experience standing meditation. And for this technique, you need to find a broomstick, a walking stick, or anything really that you can use to make sure that you don't lose your balance. You can use a chair or a table, anything really. And once you are used to this practice, then you won't need anything. Alright, so hold the top of your broom or walking stick or chair or whatever you're holding now and place your feet hip width apart. Keep your spine straight. Relax your shoulders. Relax your tongue. Relax any tension present in your neck. And you can close your eyes, or if you prefer to keep them open, that's okay. Just try to look downward if you keep your eyes open so you're not distracted by the things around you. And now I want you to tune in to your breathing for a few moments. Feel the lifting and falling of your belly. Feel the air coming in and out of your body. Focus simply on the feeling of having your feet on the ground and of breathing. Allow any emotions to be in the room with you, but do not focus on them. Just acknowledge their presence and let them go. And if you feel like you're losing your focus and that you are having too many thoughts, just bring your attention to your breathing or to your feet touching the ground. You can also practice a body scan to check in with your body, scanning downwards from head to toe. And then bringing your attention back to your breathing. When your mind wanders into thoughts and stories, just gently and kindly bringing back to focusing on your breathing. Alright, so we are now at the end of this session. So let's take a deep inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and a slow exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Deep inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 4, 3, and a long exhale. Now let your breath come back to a natural pace. And when you are ready, you can open your eyes. And I wish you an amazing day. Namaste.